Hello, dear viewers and guests of our channel. We are glad that you decided to give us your precious time. The popularity of binary options in the foreign exchange market has influenced the emergence of a large number of new binary brokers specializing in fixed income options. While searching for information, our team counted several hundred binary options, among which we separated the top 5 binary option brokers. Each one of them offers different conditions and trading tools. Each one is different, and so now we will take a closer look at them. All the links and additional information are in the description. Now make yourselves comfortable, and we'll get started. 5th place, Olymp Trade. Licensed popular broker that offers access to online binary options trading. The company enrolls clients from over 130 countries. There is support for 13 languages, and therefore, traders from all over the world can enjoy working and making profits at any time. Here, you will find not only trading tools, but also useful information. For example, the article 10 Simple Trading Techniques will allow beginners to learn some of the basics of binary options trading and start with some theoretical experience, which is very cool. Here, you can learn the platform and test the strategies for free. Immediately after registration, a demo account will be open for you, which will be credited with 10,000 virtual funds for practice and training. You will also be able to get exclusive personalized guidance from an expert trader. The site can be accessed from any device that has internet access. There is a handy mobile app for owners of smartphones on the Android platform to spend your time comfortably. 4th place, Binomo. A good binary options, which provides financial services at the international level, is on the 4th place. The company offers optimal trading conditions for buying and selling assets of different groups, gives the opportunity to earn not only binary options, but also copying trades of professional traders. Binomo clients are provided with a referral program and bonuses. Also, the broker systematically holds a trading contest among all traders. Trading in this service is available around the clock, as well as the support service, which is always ready to come to your aid and answer all your questions. The site provides a system of bonuses on the first deposit. For example, for a deposit of $20, you will receive plus 20% to the amount. For a deposit of $100, it provides plus 30%, and so on. You can receive a maximum bonus of plus 70% on your first deposit when you make a deposit of $3,000 or more. Everything is clear and simple. 3rd place, Binarium. Broker Binarium is a company providing binary options trading services since 2012. The broker positions itself as a reliable company, focused not only on the CIS market, but also serving customers all over the world. The support team works tirelessly around the clock and is always ready to come to your aid. Any questions or problems arising during your work with the site will be solved. Segregated accounts are a guarantee of client funds. What does it mean? Let us explain. All traders' money is not stored in the general account on the platform, but in accounts in European banks, separate from the broker's operating funds, so no intruder can get to your hard-earned money. Binarium is the perfect option for beginner traders who want to start their professional career with binary options, which are easier to use than other platforms. Here, you can get up to plus 100% to your deposit amount with a deposit of $100 or more. The amount may sting, but we think it's worth it. Remember that all additional information and links to services from our top list are in the description. 2nd place, Pocket Option. Pocket Option is part of a large holding company, Gembull Limited, which was created by a group of professionals with extensive experience in trading and investment activities. The company is focused on the requirements of the mass client, so it provides quality services for access to binary options trading on the OTC market. The broker strives to make the trading process as simple, clear, and convenient as possible. For this reason, Pocket Option has developed a unique trading platform to ensure stable trading for a huge number of traders. It is worth noting that the service has a mobile application for Android and iOS platforms. Since Apple's policy does not allow serving questionable apps, the presence of such a product from Pocket Option is a nice confirmation of the reliability of this site. Here, you will also receive funds on your demo account to test all the modes presented in the arsenal of Pocket Option. That way, you'll be able to test how the site works and decide for yourself if you should stay there. Also, you'll be able to try your luck and get a gift by entering your email address, which is also very nice. The gift can be absolutely anything, so we can only speculate on what you might get. Either way, you will still have 4 of the best binary options brokers to choose from. For example, the leader of our top list today. First place, Quotex. Quotex broker was registered in 2019, and in such a small period of time, compared to its opponents, it has gained huge popularity. The service supports more than 10 different currencies, metals. In addition, clients can make transactions with oil, cryptocurrencies, stock indexes, and earn up to 90% of the bet amount, as assured by Quotex itself. The platform was developed by professionals, is easily customizable, and supports about 30 technical indicators. And to start investing, $10 is enough. The broker's team provides 24/7 support. Your personal and payment information will be safe and protected by two-factor identification. You will not find any training material on the website that will allow you to get into the whole trading structure. However, our team believes that by surfing the internet and reading additional literature, you can easily start your trading activity at Quotex. In our opinion, this trading platform is worth special attention. Here, you can get a demo account to test the site and additional funds. The amount of bonus depends on the amount of your deposit. For example, having deposited $100, you will get plus 30% to your deposit amount as $30 on top. And for example, $300 will bring you plus 35% to the deposited amount. From the advantages, we would like to highlight a huge range of cryptocurrencies available for deposit and withdrawal. That's the end of our video. Thank you for your precious time. In the description, you will find all the necessary links to the services presented in our top list. We hope they will be useful to you. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Have a successful trading and see you soon.